we are coming to Jaipur, a very big festival of Shriman Priya Raman Mahaprabhu. We are going to have an utsav called Shrivas Angan Utsav. That means a lot of Harinam Sankirtan is going to happen. And on the 16th, 17th, 18th, we Maharaji will be in Jaipur giving Katha in Birla Auditorium. So 15, 16, 17, 18, we are in Jaipur in Birla Auditorium. The details of the rest will be shared with you via a reel. So please, all of you who are near Jaipur or can come to Jaipur, there is also one very small thing that has happened that day. This Buddhu Maiya of yours took birth on that very day. Radha Raman Lal chose to send me because he wanted me to get loved by such beautiful children like all of you. So 15, if you are there, I will be very, very, the best gift is that gift which you ask the person what you want. So if somebody asks me, Maya, it's your birthday, what do you want? I really want to take darshans of all of you. When we give something to somebody, we always think that what they might need. But what will give them the best happiness is only when you will ask them that, do you need anything? And when that person tells you, okay, this is what I want, and when you give that thing which he wants, that makes him the happiest. So on 15th March, it's my birthday. And a lot of children are messaging me, Ma, we are coming to Jaipur. Please tell me, what can we get for you? What can we do? Trust me. What makes me the most happiest is celebrating the presence of my Priya Raman Mahaprabhu in my life. Everything that happens is only because of him, because I know Radha Raman Lal has taken the form of Priya Raman Mahaprabhu to take direct seva from me. I serve Radha Raman Lal Mansi every day, but I know he's so happy because you all love me that he has taken a form of Priya Raman Mahaprabhu and come to my house. And ever since he has come, my life has become just wow. So what can you give me? You can please be a part of the festival of my Priya Raman Mahaprabhu, because I know when you all will dance in Harinam Sankirtan, when you chant Harinam Sankirtan with the purest of your hearts, my Mahaprabhu will also laugh, dance with all of us. That will make him happiest, and whatever makes Radha Raman, Priya Raman happy, it makes me the happiest. So I welcome you all on the 15th of March in Jaipur in the festival of Shrivas Angan of my Priya Raman Mahaprabhu. The rest of the details will be shared with you via the reel. And 22nd of March, very, very important. You all know 24th of March is the Pragatya Utsav of Shri Yamuna Maharani. So 22nd March, Nimai Pathshala is doing a very big program in Vrindavan, wherein we will be doing a very deep cleaning drive of Shri Yamuna Maharani. We all will be, sweeping Shri Braj Dham. We will be inside Yamuna Maharani and possibly make it, pure from all the plastic and other things that are harmful for Yamuna Maharani. So if any of you wants to join this drive, the best seva of Dham, so please join us on the 22nd of March. If you're coming to Dham, please let us know. We'll make some arrangement for you as well to stay with us.